In this video, I'm going to show you how to change units in Photoshop quickly and easily. If you've ever opened Photoshop and noticed your measurements showing in inches when you want pixels or centimeters when you actually need pixels for digital work, you're not alone. Changing units is a simple setting, but many beginners don't know exactly where to find it. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through two easy methods to change measurement units in Adobe Photoshop. One method changes the units permanently in your preferences, and the other is a quick shortcut you can use directly from the rulers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we'll look at the permanent method using Photoshop preferences. Start by opening Photoshop and going to the top menu. Click on Edit, then scroll down and select Preferences. From the Preferences menu, click on Units and Rulers. This panel controls how Photoshop displays measurement units across the program. Under the Ruler section, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the unit you want to use. Photoshop gives you several options, including pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and more. If you mainly work with digital graphics, thumbnails, or social media images, pixels is usually the best option. If you're working with print designs, you might prefer inches or centimeters instead. Simply select the unit that fits your workflow. Once you've chosen your preferred unit, click OK to apply the change. Now Photoshop will use that unit as the default measurement across your workspace, including rulers, guides, and size settings. Next, let's look at the faster method using the ruler shortcut. This is perfect when you want to change units quickly without opening the Preferences panel. First, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to show the rulers if they're not already visible. You'll see rulers appear along the top and left side of your canvas. Now simply right-click directly on one of those rulers. A small menu will appear showing different measurement options like pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, and more. Just click the unit you want, and Photoshop will instantly switch the ruler measurements to that unit. This method is great because it takes only a few seconds and works while you're actively designing. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to change units in Photoshop, either through the preferences for a permanent change or by right-clicking the ruler for a quick adjustment. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.